Hello everyone, my name is Linda No, and I'm doing my technology used in the classroom. So here the abstract here says, the purpose of the study is to explore the technology used in the classroom for students in general education, special education, and English as second language. The study was conducted to determine the opinion of parents, teachers, college students, and other participants regarding the use of technology and devices. In this study, there are 40 participants responding to the online survey about the benefit of the technologies used for the students' learning and engagement in the general curriculum. The results indicate that most of the respondents believe that the technology should be included in the classroom. The use of technology would also motivate students to learn and participate in general curriculum. Many participants can most likely see the benefits of technology, but there should be a limit use of technology, which I'm going to be explaining that in later in the literature review. The technology had changed on how teachers teach the lesson and how students learn in the classroom. When integrating the technology with lessons and activities in the classroom, students are most likely to become an active learner than a passive learner. It is a tool that will assist teachers to become creative with the content and instruction. The research topic that I am interested in are the benefits of technology used in the classroom for high school in grade 9 to 12 for all students, including, like I said, general ed, special ed, and ESL, to help to motivate students and engage them with their learning and the activities and lessons. So for the research questions, how does technology motivate the students to learn and participate in the classroom? What are the benefits of technology used in the classroom? How technology can be used in education, and why is technology not beneficial at this time? Here I included the criteria is that it must be an original research study, must include special ed in general ed classroom, must include ESL or ELL in general ed classroom. So basically like with those two, you have to include like special ed, ESL, any type of students in general ed classrooms as well. Must include the apps and technology such as Schoology, Blackboard, Kahoot, Creative, or any other tools that's provided by their teachers. It must include survey for students and teachers so that so they can write down their opinions. So the keywords that I included are technology, survey, general education, special education, English as second language, and participation. The database I use is EDUC, right here. So I use EDUC as databases because I found so many articles that are reliable for my research, and the search strategy is valid. So the search resulted in 21,942 hits, which I inserted the search strategies that I included in my literature task. So the EDUC database included the publication date that shows the years that the articles were published. The description has shown the link that related to my search strategy along with the authors, rather than clicking every single link. I could search for any educational level, such as elementary. So if you're teaching elementary, you could search for elementary, middle school, high school, or college. So my main focus was high school because I work for the Bush High School as an in-class support, and I've been working there for almost 3 years now, and so I choose high school. The link for the audience is included along with survey and assessment. So here are the search strategies that I use for technology, survey, general education, special ed, ESL, and participations. So when I typed in the technology search strategies, they show a lot of information, a lot of links that you can read into the articles. So as soon as I typed in all the search strategies, and depending on like how many like studies I included. So for instance, I found only 3 articles to include in my literature task in my spreadsheet. And when I'm running out of information to look for, I just went ahead and typed technology, general education, special ed, ESL, and then it'll come out with different links, but the information is still reliable for the research topic. So you can always it's like basically you can mix and match to find certain articles that relate to your topics. So the method that I did plan to choose, to gather information for my research topic, is an interview, online survey, or observations. But since there was no school during the summer, I just decided to create an online survey by using a Google form for the participant to respond to the survey questions. The participants are the teachers, college students, parents, and any others who are also non-educators. So it could be anyone else besides teachers, college students, and parents. After creating an online survey, I copied and pasted the link on social media or send the link through the text message or email. So here, 40 participants had responded to the online survey about the technology used in the classrooms, and so each participant does have a different opinions, and so the data here shows that there are 92.5% of respondents. They believe that the technology used should be included in the classroom, but there are 7.5% of respondents does not agree to have technology or devices, which I'm going to explain along with the other 2 tables right here. So right here, Table 2 and Table 3 has the same results of 95% of respondents whom they both believe that the use of technology in the classroom would motivate students to participate in the classroom and improve how they were learning. But in both the results, it says here that 5% of the respondents believe that the technology would make students do other things with technology, with their device, such as playing games, watch a video, or anything that's not educational, chatting with classmates or texting. So so here in all results right here, a lot of them do feel that technology use should be included. It will help students improve their learnings. It will motivate them to participate actively in the classroom, during the activities or lessons. So here are the beneficials. The technology can be beneficial because it helps the educators set up the environment where it is easier for students. The teacher can monitor students' work performance and progress. It provides many resources the students could use to find information that will help their study, and it will help students to advance their learning to their next level, creativity, and updated information. And why is it not beneficial at this time is that there are too many technologies that affect our generation. It would help students cheat on the assignment or the results online that are not best ones. So for instance, in my experience, from one of the year when I was in the aquatic science class assisting special ed students, the teacher would give them the assignment where they answer the guided questions that related to the movie. So for instance, Finding Nemo. So the students have to watch the movie and answer the questions, but instead of watching the movie, there are students using their phone to Google the answers. And there will be some informations that are not correct, but there are students who believe that it's the easy way. And technologies would lead to distractions and off tasks where students would spend their class time surfing the net or texting. In today's society, technology has been growing every year in the education environment. Technological use is a staple for many career and education fields that will help students in developing their skills and become successful. We should always integrate technology in the lessons and activities in the classroom. Technology should also be used in a timely and appropriate manner, such as lectures, notes, lesson plans, and curriculum. In addition, it will attract students to provide different ways of learning and share opinions with classmates. The technology will also help students and teachers with their learning experience and interact with each other through school emails and other educational tools such as Schoology, Blackboard, or any other tools provided by school districts. And according to one of the studies, teachers, parents, families, and the community can work collaboratively to provide a successful learning environment. This technology has become part of the life and social advancement, which can be part of the educator's role. It is important to benefit and improve the student's quality of life through tools and technology. We must become familiar on how to use the learning tools and apps before demonstrating to students or showing them how to use them in the class. And here are the references, and I'm looking forward to the feedback. Thank you.